Pruning saws are a vital tool to have in any garden shed. They're always much better than just grabbing any old saw from the tool rack. Pruning saws are much more compact and they're designed specifically for cutting green or dead wood. Now there's two types. There's the old-fashioned type which has a fixed handle, and then there's the type which I think I prefer much more, like this one from Bahco of Sweden, which is a folding pruning saw. I like the folding ones best because they're so easy to just fold up and slip into your pocket. This is the 396 from Bahco, and it's very comfortable in the hand, which is important on larger pruning tasks. It also means you'll make more accurate cuts if it sits well in the hand and is properly balanced. It features a strong and clear safety latch that locks in both open and closed positions. But the thing I like about it the most is that you can change the blades. Essentially, you buy one handle and you've got a pruning saw for life. All you need to do this is a Phillips head screwdriver and about 30 seconds of your time. Replacement blades are available in two variants, one best for greenwood and the other for deadwood, and they're both very easy to find. There are other folding pruning saws on the market, like from Wolfgarten of Germany and Bahco of Switzerland, but we're very impressed with this one from Bahco of Sweden. Pick one up from the Garden's online shop today.